And we're live. Just like that. Welcome Crazy Blade, welcome to the stream. Alright, today's plan, I'm gonna transfer all my Pokemon from Pokemon Red to to this version. I'm looking forward to that. It might be a bit boring to watch, but I'm gonna have to do that. And on we go. Continue. I'm gonna have to catch a bunch of Rattatas or something. Oh, I'm here. I forgot I was here last time. No. I'm out of here. There's no way out. Hold on. How do I get out of here? No, I don't want to be here. There's no way back. Hey Danica, welcome! Welcome! There's no way back! I have to proceed. I have to proceed. There's no way... Can I avoid him? Yes, I did! Nice, I'm gonna... Hold on. Actually, there wasn't much to do. I'm just gonna fight. I'm just gonna fight that one guy, actually. Let's just do it real quick. It's not like I'm gonna... use a lot of XP. So, Pokemon, and... We're good, let's go. Let's fight him up. And then we're gonna do the trades. We're gonna transfer all the Pokemon from Red to here. Matchup! Or something like that. Meh! Thundershock! Man, I love this game. I can never have enough of this game. Oh, no. No. Ooh, critical. Come on. Give me 21. Ooh! Alright, there's more actually. Another matchup. Come on, you can do this. I never liked Overwatch. I don't know why. It's not my thing. Uh-oh. I'm gonna switch. And we're gonna use... Hey, it's V4 in the house. Let's use Ghastly. Ghastly! Ghastly sounds old. Ghastly! Ghastly! Can I use a Shadow Ball? Boom. Poliwhirl. I'm gonna switch. See if I can use my Mareep again. I wasn't gonna stream. I decided to stream last minute. Can I pull this off? I'm scared. No, I'm not gonna risk. I am gonna risk it. Thundershock. Bye. Have a great time. Hey, it's Dodo in the house. Wow. I was able to resist that attack. How are you, Dodo? Oh man. I might not make this. This is gonna be a close one. No, I don't think I'm gonna make it. No, the bubble is strong. The force is strong with the bubble. Bye, Mareep. I'll miss you. Alright, Eevee. Make me proud. I'm just gonna use a tackle. Tackle. I don't think I'm gonna be training this Eevee. I don't even know why I use this Eevee. I don't know. We'll see. Where's Cuphead? I'm taking a break from Cuphead. I wanted to play some more Pokemon. I'll go back to Cuphead probably not tomorrow. Well, next time I stream, but it's not gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow's a very, very busy day for Vloggy. Cuphead is an amazing game. Tough, really tough, but no, it's an amazing game. let's go back. Hey, Min! Hello! Believe it or not, that's an Ampharos. Amphi. Papalu! Its breathing is terribly labored. This Pokemon's always kept the sea lit at night. Have you talked with Tro? No, I haven't spoken to Tro in a while. But it suddenly got sick. It's gasping for air. I understand that there is a wonderful pharmacy in Cyanwood, but that's across the sea. And I can't leave Amphi unattended. May I ask you to get me some medicine? For me, please? No, it's not for you, it's for Amphi. I'm making him a room for 4 tonight. Wow, I haven't had pasta in ages. And that's the thing, I stopped my diet for like 2 months. And I still haven't had pasta. I don't know why I didn't seize the moment. I know I didn't. I miss some Aron. Aron is good. I'm just looking around to make sure. You remember how much we used to play this game then? Just gonna keep going down. We used to play this on an emulator. Me and Donnie used to play this on an emulator. That ran 2 games at the same time, simultaneously. And we used to share a keyboard. We used to play together and share a keyboard. Remember that? We did that, right? I used to do it with Russell for sure. I think we did that, you and me, as well. Now that I'm in the Pokemon Center, I'm gonna do something I've never done in my life. I'm gonna transfer Pokemon from Red to this game. I'm excited. I'm gonna have to catch some Rattatas though. That's gonna be a pain. That is going to be a pain. Let's go catch some Rattatas. I need some Pokeballs first. She's not gonna attack me, is she? No. Alright, so... all we eat in Korea is pasta, rice and meat. I'm a vegetarian, so my options got... Oh, wow, really? Ah, man, this week I had Chinese... No, this was last week now. Man, I love Chinese food. Ah, he said I made cheese, Korean barbecue. I read the Chinese. Sorry, the computer's got very far away from my eyes. I'm sorry about that. Let me just move the laptop closer to my face. It's quite far away from me. I made cheese, Korean barbecue. Sounds good. May I ask you why you're a vegetarian? I'm just curious. I'm just curious. I'm not gonna comment on it. I'm just curious why you're a vegetarian. That's it. Some people do it for because they feel sorry for the animals and stuff. Yeah, with the number pad. You're right, Danica. You're right. Yes, that's right. My memory serves me well. So I'm gonna catch a bunch of Pokemon. I have a bike, no. I love this music. I'm gonna go down. Okay, alright, interesting. I'm gonna go this way because there's a lot of smaller level Pokemon here, so I'm gonna... Alright, I hope there's like Pidgeys and stuff. They need to be Gen 1 Pokemon, I suppose. Oh, I cannot catch a Hoot Hoot. I cannot catch a Hoot Hoot. You need to be Gen 1 Pokemon, because I'm gonna have to transfer them, right? Maybe I should go in a cave and catch some Geodudes and Zubats, actually. There's a Bellsprout, I can catch the Bellsprout. Great ball. Oh, I have 21 balls. I actually bought last time. I forgot. Boo. Yeah, I understand, man. I understand. Okay, that was a level 3 Bellsprout. Come on, man. Come on. Alright, I got one. I need to catch around 10, I think. Oh, Bill. That's one. It's gonna be a bit boring. This episode's gonna be a bit boring. I'm sorry. I should go in the cave, actually. Let's go in the cave. Because I'm gonna keep running into Pokemon that are Gen 2. Since I met this Pokemon now, I'm gonna throw my ball. Alright, got another one. I think 10 should be enough. Fair enough, man. Fair enough. You're nice. Is it dark? Oh, it's dark in here. Come on, I need to catch Pokemon though. Zubat! Level 2's nice. Ah, come on, you're level 2, come on. Come on, you're level 2. Ah. Shiny Raikou, wow. I never find Chinese. I never find Chinese. Alright, I love how the Pokeball always changes color. It changes color according to the Pokemon that you caught. That's another one. Yay, another Zubat. Come on, come on! I want to get this over with. No, what am I doing? I was looking at my phone, sorry. Really? Killed it? Ouch. You don't kill them Pokemon, you faint them. Geodude. Ah, come on, you're a level 2 Geodude, come on! Oh man! Maybe I'm better off with the Bellsprouts. Ah, dude! Dude, Geodude! Get it? Ah, you suck. I'm too lazy to attack them and do the whole thing. If you escape, I'm running away. Ah, you got away with it again, Geodude. Alright, you know what? Man, this is a great ball. A great ball on level 2 Pokemon. Come on. Now I'm gonna go back to the bell sprouts, huh? Alright, I'm out of here. Enjoy, Crazy Blade. Enjoy. Let's go. Let's go. Just hang out here. See if I can find more Pokemons. I have to be Gen 1 though. Alright, there you go. A Rattata. I didn't know you could find Rattatas in this route. That's a level 4 one though, huh? And apparently I already got one. Come on, be nice, Rattata. Just get caught, okay? And of course not. Otherwise it would be too easy. Oh, dude. Alright, that's it. Wasted way too many Pokeballs now. That's it. What's lagging my stream? Oh crap, why is Thunderwave? I'm getting distracted. Overwatch, okay. Alright, there we go. Maybe I have to paralyze them. Another one? Come on. Another Rattata. Just gonna go ahead and paralyze all of them before I attack, because I'm wasting Pokeballs. Great Balls, actually. I got 5 more Pokeballs to go. I use these up and I go back and transfer them. Ah, dude, come on, man! Ah! Ah, you suck. Oh my goodness, it's just a Rattata, come on! A paralyzed Rattata with Great Balls. Ah. Alright, one more. I don't even know how many Pokemon I caught, but it wasn't many with 21 Great Balls. Come on, last Great Ball. I don't even have any more. Let me see how many I have. I need at least 10, because I have like 10 Pokemon I need to transfer from Red. Ah, you made me angry, I'm gonna kill you. Sorry, I'm gonna faint you. I'm gonna make you faint. Bye. There we go. That XP was delicious. Oh, really? Let me see how many Pokemon I have that I can transfer over. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got about 10. Can we do this? I'll probably have to deposit them, eh? Yeah, I think so.
Marie, no! Hello, Indigo. Withdraw. Okay, so just gonna withdraw a Ratata. And another Ratata. And a Zubat. And another Zubat. And a Bellsprout. Okay. And an Oddish. Okay, full. Alright, let's go. What am I doing? I'm gonna use the time capsule right now. I'm gonna use the time capsule right now. I've never used it before, so this is like totally blind. I've never used this service ever. Hello! Welcome to the Cable Club time capsule. You can travel to the past and trade your Pokemon. Would you like to try? Yes, please. Please wait. Before opening you must save the game. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna switch on the other DS now. Hold on. I keep calling it DS even though it's a 3DS. Opening Pokemon Red on the other DS, 3DS. Hold on now. Okay, went to. Alright, invite and accept and stuff. Hold on. Alright. Went very quiet now. Enjoy the silence. Alright, so, the Pokemon on the team, on the party over here are, I don't need that. I don't need Abra. Hold on, let me just deposit Abra. I don't need this Abra. Abra! Deposit. Basically, I'm gonna transfer my old team. Withdraw. Yeah. Let's withdraw. No. No, I don't even need Ivysaur. Deposit. So apparently someone on the 38th story of my apartment, I live on the 58th, not 54th. It's apparently a rich apartment that my brother bought for me. Oh. Fell through the floor. Alright. Withdraw. Let's get... Why not Mew? So Mew is glitched. It's a glitched Mew. I don't know if it's gonna be legit because I'm moving it from one game to the other, so the game will forget that it's hacked. We'll see. Alright, so welcome to the Cable Club. Please apply here. Before opening the link, we have to save the game. Yes, please wait. This might be a bit boring for you guys to watch, but I wanted this to be documented. So, I'm gonna invite from here, and I'm going to accept from here. Looking for partner. Okay, and there it is. Start, and start. Please come in. Alright, so we're here. Turn around. Okay, no problem, man. Take your time. Please wait. Alright, so I'm giving my Bellsprout. Trade. And I'm taking my Mewtwo. Okay, so trade. Here we go. I'm getting my Mewtwo from Pokemon Red. That's amazing. To me, that's like mind blown. Right there. This might take a while, but I'm gonna enjoy doing this. Type graphics and day and age. Mewtwo like Mr. Mime. I got Mewtwo. I got Mewtwo. And I'm sending him a Bellsprout. Oh, poor sucker. Can you imagine if this right now, as I'm doing this, I happen to get a shiny?
So, next up, Ratata. No, not stats.
I'll be getting my Lapras.
I know, Indigo, yeah, I know. Some of the entries in the Pokédex, it's like they wrote them down without even thinking about it sometimes, you know? How weird is that? Alright, moving on. Another Rattata. I'll be getting my Eevee! There we go. Much Eevee, many wows. I can't wait to get this over with, but it has to be done. Bloop bloop. I've never done this in my life. It's exciting. Alright, next. I'll be getting my Poliwrath from the previous game. This is a fully trained Poliwrath. Poliwrath. There we go. One more down. I'm not going to accomplish much in this stream, I think. I'm just going to move over the Pokemon. It has to be done. I'm going to be getting my Nidoking next. Again, this is another fully trained Pokemon from my previous team. This is for people that cannot let go of their previous team. Next one. Why do I have a Bellsprout here? No, wait, hold on. That's the other one. Alright, so I'll be trading my Mew next. This is a glitched Mew. I'm using Master Mime as well. I got my Mew! I hope I can put it into the Pokemon Bank though. He's glitched. It would be the first time I legitimately got a Mew, even though it's glitch. To me that's legit anyway. I count it as legit. Do you count it as legit when it's glitched? Alright, so I'm gonna have to exit and come back now. If it's containable in the game, it's legit. I think if I didn't use hacks or cheats, it's legit. It's the game's fault. Alright, so that's been disconnected. Alright, so... communication has been lost. Okay. I'm gonna put them in the PC real quick, and I'll get some more. Deposit. Mewtwo. Lapras. I got my Eevee's 25. That's good. So this is the Eevee I'm training, but I'm gonna give him away. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly check on the other game and see how many Pokemon I need to transfer. Continue. So, depositing. Alright. Withdraw. So I have Aerodactyl I need to bring. I got Charizard. Got my Alakazam. And my Dratini. That's it. That's all of them. So that's total of how many Pokemon? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The music is making me depressed. Why? Start. Alright. Trade center. Just wait a moment. Let's go. It's gonna change now, I think. Yeah, the music. There we go. So, trades. Now let me get my Aerodactyl. Can you imagine if one of them happens to be... Can you imagine if one of them happens to be a shiny? I don't know why. I'm kind of waiting for it to happen. I don't know why. Hey, Philly retweeted me. Thank you so much for the retweet, Philly, if you're watching. Alright. Yeah, I'm getting my Charizard. Ah, there's Philly. That's a nice way of luring him out of lurk. Thank you for the retweet, buddy. Alright, here we go. I'm getting my Charizard now as well. I have a connection with my Charizard from the very first game. I didn't even check the sexes of the Pokemon, actually. I think I'm long overdue for a for the chili stream, Philly. What do you think? I think we need to make that happen. But before I make that happen, I need to find a day that I'm not working the following day, because if I do get the burning anus symptom the day after, you know, at least I'll be at home. Getting my Alakazam now. I'm getting my Alakazam. There we go. And last but not least, my Dratini. Oh, so cute. That's it. It's all of them. Now I'm gonna reorganize my team real quick, so bear with me on that. I also have a surprise now. I have a surprise for you guys. So I'm gonna switch off the other DS. No need for the other DS. Power off. Boom. And that one's done. Bye. Okay. I'm gonna reorganize my team real quick. So this Eevee is not the one I'm gonna be training, even though I was training it, but I'm gonna release it. I want to avoid confusion. So that Eevee's been released. And these are my Pokemon. So Charizard is a male, nice. Alakazam is a female. Dratini is a female as well. I can live with that. Alright, so deposit. 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 My Dratini is level 40. Withdraw. So, my Mareep. I'm gonna withdraw my team now. And Hoothoot. Ghastly. Totodile. And my brand new Eevee. He's holding something actually. And it's a male. Nice. Bitterberry. Okay. I'm gonna reorganize real quick, so. Alright, and yes, surprise, surprise, I'll be raising Dratini again. I'm gonna continue raising Dratini from my previous game. So yeah, 6th Pokemon. There we go. Let's just put Dratini in its place real quick. And that's it. That's my 6th Pokemon for this game. I'm very happy with my team. I'm very satisfied. So that's it. I've assembled the full team. Let's get out of here, man. Even me now, the music is driving me insane. Okay. Let's continue where we left off. Oops. Ah. Meowth. And my rule always stands. Oh, really? Can't escape? My rule always stands. If I happen to run into a shiny... Hey, Navi-chan, welcome. What? Sorry, I was looking at my phone. Welcome to... And hello. There's a voice. Sorry, yeah. Chlorade, hello, welcome. Welcome to the stream. So yeah, the rule always stands. If I happen to run into a shiny, I'm going to raise that one shiny. Alright, so let's just say I happen to run into a wild Meowth that happens to be a shiny. Even though I'm not a fan of Meowth, it will take priority. I will have to replace one Pokemon from my team. That's how I always work. Alright, let's go. Now I'm gonna have to start surfing south. I'm not a big fan of surfing, but I'm gonna have to. Part of the game. Now when I was a kid, there was a rule. I always keep to the left. There we go. Let's start with the... Well, actually it's gonna be good training for my Mareep, so why not? Thank you. It's been a while since I've heard that. It's been a while. Nebby's asking for me to do the Mario. Should I? Should I? I'm self-conscious now, I'm gonna do it, okay. It's me, Mario! Woohoo! Oh man. If I earn a badge in this stream, I'll be happy. Because I mean, I assembled my full team now. My team has been fully assembled. And, you know, so no, I feel complete. After I'm done playing this game, well, actually, the next Pokemon game I'll be playing is Pokemon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. But then, once Pokemon Bank opens for this game, I'll be transferring this generation of Pokemon to the Hoenn region. So I'll continue where I left off with the same team over there. You are playing my favorite gen. I also love the remix. Yes, yeah, I'm a big fan as well. I'm trying to play all of them. All of them that are compatible with Pokemon Bank though. So this time, I actually get to keep my Pokemon for the very first time ever. For the very first time ever in my life, I get to keep my team. I move on to the next game and I keep my team. I move on to the next game and I keep my team. So that's what I just did. I transferred my Pokemon from Red to Silver. And since Silver in this winter is going to be connected to the Pokemon Bank, I'll be able to put them in Pokemon Bank and withdraw them from the Hoenn region. And I'll continue where I left off, you know? Yes, Mareep does evolve at level 19, you are correct. But here's something that you should know about me. I like to keep my Pokemon babies. Do you know the reason why I like to keep my Pokemon babies? It's amazing how many people actually don't know this fact. Wow, that acid though. Ooh, I don't have potions or anything like that, do I? Yeah, I do actually. That poison sting. Please don't poison. Okay. It's good training for my Mareep here though, so... And level 22. I did finish Sun and Moon, yes I did finish it, but I finished it privately, not during stream. Oh man, but I won't do the same thing again. I won't get distracted from another game. When Ultra Sun Ultra Moon comes out, I'm not gonna do that again. I will finish the game on stream, I promise. I can't wait for Ultra Sun Ultra Moon. I'll be getting it before everyone else. I'll be getting an early copy. What? Not sure if I can stream it though. Why am I not evolving Pokemon? Does anybody know why am I not evolving Pokemon? Can anybody tell me the reason why? Obviously, I mean, Harry doesn't know. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Harry doesn't know, but does anybody know the advantage of not evolving Pokemon? Ah, damn it. Ah, Levy's here, but Levy was here before when I said it last time. Or maybe he knew it as well before. But yeah, that's why Levy. Exactly, that's why. They learn moves way sooner when they're babies, basically. That's the true reason. Critical. Man! This doesn't look good. Ooh, I'm gonna barely make it. I got some serious XP from this. What moves? Alright, let me just give you an example. Let me just give you an example real quick. Hold on. I'll have to explain this. I'll have to explain this. Let me just open up Pokédex real quick. So, gold, silver, crystal. And let's just take, I don't know, we mentioned Mareep, okay? Just for example, Hijklm, Mareep. There we go. For instance, Mareep learns Thunder at level 37. 37 learns Thunder. If I had to evolve it to an Ampharos, Ampharos learns Thunder at... what? 57! 57! I'm not gonna wait till level 57 for Ampharos to learn Thunder, as if at level 37 Mareep learns Thunder, and then I will evolve my Mareep straight to Ampharos right away. So then I'll have an Ampharos level 38 basically. Actually exactly level 38 with Thunder, you know? So that's the advantage. Hold on. Do I have Repel? Because my Pokemon's gonna die. Just like... I don't actually. God dang it. I'll just switch around. No. Okay, no problem. Never mind. I'll just... Oops, I minimized chat and I never maximized it again. What's going on? So what moves I explained because they level up quicker. No, they don't level up quicker. They're learning the moves faster. Are you going to evolve Eevee for what type? Ah, that is a mystery levy. I will not say. So yeah, that Dratini in my team, I started raising that Dratini. I started raising that Dratini in Pokemon Red. I'm gonna continue where I left off in that game. Beep beep. No, Mareep is in danger. I'm not gonna use Mareep. Hoot hoot, you're up. I won't say which Pokemon I'm gonna evolve it into. I won't say. But I need to increase the happiness. I think you would need to give it haircuts downstairs, eh? To increase the happiness value. Am I right in saying that? If you had to evolve into Espeon, you need to make it happy, like. Do you know exactly what Pokemon you will not evolve to game? Yes, I have Cerebi.net open. It's like the database. It's like my real Pokedex. It's been my Pokedex for many, many years. Cerebi.net is really accurate. I only found one mistake in Cerebi.net all these years using it. Only one mistake. But other than that, it's really good. Woo! If this Pokemon faints, I'm gonna switch to Mareep again. Yeah, it's gonna faint. Ah, Bulbapedia. I never use Bulbapedia. I know it's a good reference site as well, but I don't know. I've always been into the Cerebi.net. It was a good source for news and stuff, and ever since I've been using it. Thundershock. Ooh, nice! So I will level up and gain some more health, probably. No? Mareep's trying to learn? Cotton Spore. Nope. No need for that. No. Stop learning Cotton Spore? Yes. Seeking! So, I'm leaving Mareep out, but I'm gonna switch out anyway. Pokemon. And we're gonna use Eevee! Go! Hey, Toby's here! You were streaming, Toby! I know you were streaming, but I was very busy. I was very busy, I saw you there. But, I couldn't speak in chat, I was doing something very important. Ooh! Looks like I used the bitter right away. Tackle. I was doing some accounting. That's what I was doing. I was doing some accounts. Counting and making financial reports and all. So yeah. And Eevee gets boosted. That's right, because he's traded. Yummy. What? Mareep is evolving? Nope. When you give me Thunder and I'll let you evolve, Mareep. Give me Thunder and I'll let you evolve. Let's go. Tentacruel. I would love to fight you, but... nah. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Should I attack the Tentacool? Come on. It's a level 20 Tentacool and I am a Mareep. Level 23. I have a type advantage, but no! No! No, I don't think I can escape. I don't think I can escape now. Can I? I can, actually. Okay. Almost there. We made it. Ah, safetiness. I love watching live streams as well, huh? I love watching people play games as much as I love playing video games, honestly. There are streamers that enjoy streaming but don't watch others stream, which is fine. I'm okay with that. But I'm the kind of streamer that loves to watch other people stream as well. Also, in streaming, the tendency is that people draw people. If there's a stream with 100 people watching, chances are people are gonna come in because there's many people watching, you know. And a person with 2 people watching, people are not gonna come in because there's only 2 people watching. It must be a lousy stream. You know what I mean? But me, on the other hand, I love to visit smaller streams as well because it could be a good stream. I had an experience just a couple of days ago. There was this one guy playing Pokemon. He had like 3 people watching, and I went in and I said hello and stuff. You know, the first thing that said to me the streamer was, "Hello, please like, subscribe, and support my Patreon." That's how I got greeted. I kid you not. Like, seriously, dude? Dude, seriously? Yeah, that's like the first thing. I mean, he's like a streamer. He had like 57 subscribers, and okay, he had a Patreon set up, fine, and he had like 3 people watching. Fine, I don't mind. I mean, that's fine. I don't mind. But, dude, even I have links set up, and you know, there's the option for people to sponsor me as well. But I mean, I will never say please sponsor me or please donate. I am not that kind of person. But that's just me. I mean, there's other streamers who are comfortable doing that, and that's fine, you know. But personally, I mean, you just walk into a stream and you get greeted by, you know, hello, support my Patreon. You know what I mean? That's not who I am. I was on another stream as well. And again, I'm not hating or anything like that. I'm not hating, I'm just talking. I was on another stream, and this guy wanted sponsors, and he's like, "Come on, I want to hit my target." I don't know if it was 10 or whatever. Let's just say it wasn't a round figure. Alright? And you go into a stream, and the streamer greets you, and the first thing that the streamer tells you, "Are you gonna be my next sponsor? Are you gonna be my 10th sponsor?" Dude, that makes people feel uncomfortable personally. I don't know, that's just me. Again, that's just me. I'm wondering about while I ramble and rant. Alright, let's go. I may have to use strength. I think I'm gonna need strength here, eh? Whatever, let's go. Throws a master at. Hey, Cheers here! Cheers here! And Big Boss is here as well. Hello, Big Boss. Welcome. Nice to see you, buddy. I'm gonna switch. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna switch. I'm not okay with Cheer not being a mod. I cannot get used to it. I'm gonna put you back. Because the thing is, Cheer was a mod. Cheer's been a mod for a very long time. But he made the bet. He's like, I'm gonna gamble. Oh, seriously, dude! Look at that! Alright, let's go back to Marib then. He made the bet. A gamble is like, if I lose, take away my wrench. I wanted to fulfill that request. But I cannot get used to Cheer not being a mod, so I'm remodding you, Cheer. Wow, the Hitmonlee is strong. Wow. Wow, what did that? No! Oh my goodness, this gym is trashing me. Alright, man, that wasn't good for my Eevee, fainting like that. I was supposed to use Ghastly, I don't know why. I'm blue, da ba dee da ba da. Alright, man, that's it. Man, he trashed me, but I was being distracted, alright? I wasn't using strategy, alright? I was meant to have Hoot Hoot at the top of my team. That was a fail, alright? And secondly, I wanted to use Ghastly and I chose Eevee by mistake, so no problem. No problem. Get that experience, Ghastly. Ghastly, I'm old. No, Ghastly. No. Not yet. Oh, no! I hate that my Eevee fainted. I need Eevee to be happy. Hitmonchan! Shadow Ball. You don't, eh? Oh, okay. Okay. Interesting. It's not the canon story, see? To play the canon Resident Evil 2, you need to play Claire first and Leon second. Ooh, Frozen Solid, interesting. This is why I prefer Hitmonchan over than Hitmonlee. He's got the 3 elements of punches. Alright, Totodile, you can do this. Come on, you can do this. He's got Thunder Punch, I know, but you can do this. I know you can. I believe in you, Totodile. Give him a Mud Slap. I hit you with the Ice Punch, okay. Oh, no way! He missed because of the Mud Slap. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna go heal. He trashed me, huh? That Hitmonlee trashed me. That's okay. I'm gonna go heal. It won't happen again. I was being clumsy and reckless. I think I get Fly now. Yes, I do. I'm gonna get Fly in this. That's fantastic. I wish I could get Fly before, but I won't get Fly. Wait a sec. Do I? Gym leader spars. This fight. Maybe she gives me Fly. Somebody gives me Fly. Oh, there we go. Ah, it would have been awesome if he gave me Fly right away. No worries. Let's switch to Hoot Hoot. Come on, Hoot Hoot. I'm gonna be okay now. Obviously, Fly is a great flying type move to use against the gym leader, so... Alright. I'm gonna have to go catch a Geodude or something to teach strength. Barry, I'm sorry, Jill, I was clumsy. Barry, I'm sorry, Jill, I was clumsy. I'm really embarrassed. I miss RE1. Man, I should play it sometime. Match up! I miss everyone, it's been a while. Alright, Peck. Come on, come on, come on, give me a 25. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Please, 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 please. That's a strong shot. Come on, you can do this. Uh-oh. What happened to Barry? Barry decided to I think Barry decided to quit YouTube now. I'm a bit sad. Oh no, hold. Alright Marie, you get the XP. Yeah, Barry stopped streaming. He's seeing somebody and that's it. He's dating. And that's it. The moment Barry starts dating, he left us. He left us behind. I miss Barry. Thundershock. Oh no! That hurts. Actually, no, it doesn't hurt. It's not like super effective. Okay. Barry reminds me of Meg from Family Guy. Never taking off the beanie. I met Barry in real life when I went to Amsterdam last year. And he was with the beanie. I threatened to take it off and he panicked. He was like, no, don't do it, I'll get mad, I won't talk to you. He took it seriously. I know I'm gonna remove your beanie. But he wasn't happy about it, so I didn't. That rock slide is very strong. Ouch. No, he doesn't cheer. Alright. Ah, man, I wanna... Let's go with Eevee. Come on, you can do this, Eevee. Can you? Can you do this, Eevee? Come on, you can do this! No, you're not gonna do this! No, you're gonna faint again! Oh, and that had to be a critical. My Eevee! Ah! Come on, look at that. You get the XP again for the second time. I don't know, I cannot speak for Barry. I cannot say no more Barry, it's not up to me. But I don't know. I'm gonna go grab a Geodude real quick. Actually, I need to buy a Pokeball. Actually... hang on, maybe I can use a Rattata, one of those Rattatas that I caught. Hold on. Oh, what am I doing? No, I don't need to do this again. It's true, Levy, it's true, I agree. Alright, so I'm gonna deposit this Dratini for a bit. Withdraw. And did I manage to catch... Hold on, no. All the Pokemon that I caught earlier were... Yeah, I'm gonna have to catch... I'm gonna have to catch a Geodude. Because the Pokemon were transferred to the other game, I forgot. Alright, can I get Pokeballs from here? Please, I can get Pokeballs. I really don't feel like swimming all the way back there again. Oh no, he doesn't sell Pokeballs. Oh, it's strength, eh? Strength. Maybe Togepi learns strength? I don't know. Please, Togepi learn strength. I don't really feel like... Come on, Pokemon. No, Pokemon. Bag. Or pack. Yes, the time machine works. I got the Pokemon already. I just did that before you showed up. I did it. So, roll out dig. H, strength. I don't have strength? Where do you get strength? Oh my goodness. Oh man, this is not my day. This is not my day. Where do you get strength? Oh, I forgot some of the things in this game. I'm looking it up right now. When can I find it? Oh, it's in Olvine City. I have to talk to the sailor that's sitting on the table. I'll give you HM. No, I have to swim back again. Oh man. No, I don't have strength. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. No problem. No problem. We can go. We can go. Do you sell repel, buddy? If you can sell me a repel, you'll make me very happy. And of course, he doesn't sell repel. Oh man. Alright, no problem. Let's use Mareep to at least we'll get some more training. Hey! Thank you for subscribing, Paul. I appreciate that. I'll try my best to entertain you. And yes, if you are enjoying the content, I encourage you to subscribe. I like Pokemon. I play Pokemon. I'm all about Pokemon and Resident Evil and I don't know what else. Whatever really. Whatever comes out. What are the games I'm gonna be playing next? Pokemon Sun and Moon, Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon for sure. Alright, no problem, Chloe. No problem. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'm currently playing also. I'd love to play Minecraft. I'm waiting for Cheer to get Minecraft before I continue playing. Before I start playing Minecraft again. I was such a good Minecrafter back in my day. I haven't played Minecraft in a couple of years, and I'm gonna be such a noob when I get back to that game. But right, currently I'm playing Pokemon, Cuphead, Pokemon Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, Rasadantaval. What else? And Chloe subscribed as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Could we play Creativerse? But the thing is this, I mean, I watched a couple of videos of Creativerse, but why play Creativerse when we can play Minecraft? Creativerse is basically inspired by Minecraft. See ya, Chloe. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. We can play the real game now. No, I won't play Pixelmon though. No, no, no. I won't play Pixelmon for sure. If I had to play a Pokemon modded game, it would be the Ark Survival. You know, the game Ark Survival with dinosaurs. I saw a mod of Ark Survival but with Pokemon. That would be interesting. That is something I would consider playing. Yeah, I'd love to get Ark. I have Ark. I don't even know if I have Ark or not. I need to check. I have a massive Steam library of games. I know this is annoying. I have to swim back and back and back, but what can you do? But I'm getting some training anyway. Mareep appreciates this. Oh, not tackle! Quiplash. We are gonna play Quiplash soon, Philippe, I promise. We're gonna play Quiplash, for sure. It's gonna have to be late at night, though. Well, my late at night, I mean. My late at night. I don't know about you guys. I don't overplay Quiplash a lot. I don't like to play Quiplash a lot because I don't want to overdo it. You know what I mean? If you overdo something, it won't be special anymore. Just like with my chili streams and my shot streams, you know what I mean? It's true, Philly, it's true. Last time I played it was... Has it been? Really? Has it been? I think I've played it one more time after that, though. I think I have. We'll do it again, for sure. Sooner than you think. You know what? Let's commit. Let's commit to it. This month, October, we'll play Quiplash, for sure. Okay? One other reason why I hesitated playing Quiplash is that my streams have been quiet lately. And I don't want to be playing Quiplash and not have people in the stream. You know what I mean? It would be a pathetic attempt to play Quiplash, you know what I mean? Creativers is free on Steam. I didn't even know that. Wow, really? I didn't know that. Hey, Leon, welcome. Nice to see you. Currently, I'm swinging back to Allvine City. Almost there. I think, yes, we're there. There we go, we're back. So, I'm gonna heal. Yeah, I was looking at a few bosses, Levi. I know, it's such a hard game, man. I mean, I was still on the first island, and I was struggling with the bosses. It's amazing. So let's get this the strength. Where's the strength though? Allvine City? I'm gonna sing with him actually. Hello laddie, the sea is sweet. Sing with me. Yo ho, blow the man down. So I think this is where he gets strength from, yes? No, this gives me a rod or something. It's on this. The only thing that sucks about the Game Boy emulator is that you can't trade. But that is why I'm not playing on the Game Boy emulator. I'm playing it legit on the 3DS. I'm playing it legit. And I've just traded before you showed up, right before you showed up. In fact, my Eevee is traded. And even my Dratini. My Dratini came from Pokemon Red. Look. Actually, I don't have Dratini on me. Stats. This came from Pokemon Red, but it doesn't show, does it? You can't really tell. You can't really tell. But yeah, this is legit. Actually, yeah, let me prove it. There you go. You see? That's why I'm replaying all the games. I played Pokemon Red. And... I'm trying to figure out where to get strength from. Is it this guy? Yeah, I think it's this guy, yes. Ah, your Pokemon sure look like lightweights. They don't have the power to move boulders aside. Yeah, use this and teach them strength. You need Goldenrod Gym Badge to use, I know. So yeah, that's why I'm playing it, because I like to keep my teams from the original game, you know? Let me show you my team from the previous game. Real quick, real quick, real quick, real quick. Look, my Mewtwo from Pokemon Red, my Lapras, Poliwrath, Nidoking, and Mew, and Aerodactyl, and Charizard, and Alakazam, and the Dratini I'm training. I'm still training Dratini. So, pack. Who? The egg is a Totodile inside. So strength. Come on, Togepi, learn strength. I don't feel like catching another Pokemon. And does not learn it. Okay. So, because I was gonna... I breed the Totodile, and I was thinking maybe I should get a male Totodile. I really wanted the Totodile to be a male, but... whatever, I'll just settle with the... Oops. Alright, so... yeah, he is. Togepi is. Alright, let me just... Let's buy some Pokeballs. No, it won't crack. You need to move. You need to walk. It needs to be in your team for it to crack. Alright, so, really? No repel here either. Okay. Let's buy a few Great Balls. I have to surf south again. Yeah, I keep chat PG-13. I keep chat family friendly. Even my language, even my streams. I keep all my streams family friendly. I play Pokemon. Pokemon is a kid's game, and kids game. It's for everybody really, but you know, it caters for younger audiences, and even Minecraft. At the same time, I like to play grown-up games, so but that would be at your discretion to view. Creative versus free, the pro version isn't. It costs $6.81. Interesting, I'll try it out. It's amazing, I made it this far. When are we gonna play Uno? It's true, we need to play Uno. We need to play Uno, but I need to test. You gave me a website where you can actually play it for free online or something. That would be cool if we actually had the Steam game, but because it's very nice. It has nice visuals, you know. I don't know, but I cannot impose that on everybody to get the game. Also, we all need voice. We all need cam. Are we gonna do it with the camera chat? We do, eh? We need we need video call, right? And I don't have video call yet on Discord. Alright, so there should be a cave here somewhere, right? Please. No, come on, there has to be a cave here somewhere. Don't do this to me, game. No, I didn't come all the way here for nothing. Wasn't there a cave here? No! Wasn't there a cave here? No! I thought I was gonna catch a Pokemon! Alright. Man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I could have sworn there was a cave here. Oh, man! You don't have video on Discord? I'm gonna check right now. Let me just check right now, actually. No, I don't. Start voice call? No, just voice calls. I don't have it yet. I was pretty sure there was a cave here which I could have used to what am I gonna do? I came here for nothing. You know what I'm gonna do? Nobody learns it. Nobody learns it. Unbelievable. It should show the setting with the sound, unless you haven't updated the app. My app updates automatically. I don't know, I'll check afterwards. My app should update automatically though. Let me try. Maybe Tritini learns it and then we can delete it. Can we delete HM moves? Hold on, before I do... Well, I mean, let me just check if he learns it. Nope, not able. I'm gonna have to surf back again. I can't believe this. This is not happening. The move deleter, okay. Well, anyway, doesn't make a difference. Nobody can learn it. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Hold on. Maybe a Tentacool learns it or something, because I really don't feel like going back there. Hold on. Let me just open Cerebi.net real quick. Move decks. Attack dex, really? Okay. Picara's strength. No, it doesn't look like Tentacool learns it now. Lapras does. Shall I teach it to Lapras and then delete it? Yes, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I don't feel like going back again. Video isn't available in the mobile, only for computer. Yes, yes, yes. I'm talking about the. I'm talking about my app on the computer. All right, no, I'm gonna teach it to Lapras. I don't care. I'm gonna teach. I can't be bothered. Hey, Juan Pablo, welcome. Yeah, I did, but I won't get a Cubone. Oh, come on, Marie, really? Come on, you're gonna be 25. You're gonna grow even more. I'm gonna just teach strength to my Lapras. I don't care. Alright, so let me just do this, because I'm getting annoyed now. Alright. There we go. That's it. Let's just do this. That's it. And then I'll delete it. I don't know where the move deleter is. If I run into him, I'll delete it. Let's go. Okay, time for gym leader. Time for the gym leader. Pokemon. I'm gonna switch to Hootooth again. Here we go. This is gonna be my 5th badge. Oh, actually, there's gonna be another trainer before. Okay. Mankey! Mankey doesn't go like that, I know. Alright, Peck. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice. Uh-oh, this is gonna be tough, I think. Maybe if I can put the Primeape to sleep? Ah! Not even a chance. Oh, critical, of course. Nah, I got a crit back. In your face. Hey, Ivan, welcome. Hey, you said hello to VloggyBuddy and not me? I'm gonna go heal and be back. Nope, not yet, Hoot Hoot. Not yet. Okay, cheer. Me too, actually. I need food. Let's do this again. Hello, Super Saiyan Dashi. Welcome. Nice to see you, Dash. I'll press use strength. Alright, let's do this. Alright, gym leader. Are you gonna trash me? I have a feeling he's gonna give me a hard time. We'll see. The nostalgia's strong, eh? I know, right? Here we go. Here we go. Am I gonna get the badge? Primate. If I can... no, I'm not gonna pull this off. I'm not gonna pull this off. I'm gonna try hypnosis. I'm gonna try hypnosis. Ooh, he leered. Okay. Oh, nice. Can I pull this off? Pack. Go pack all the way. Come on, pack all the way. You can do this. Oh, woke up already? No! I'm not gonna risk it. Let's go with Ghastly. So what happened to your Game Boy Dash, if you don't mind me asking? Ooh, look at that! I have a feeling he's gonna heal. No, he isn't. Alright, nice. It broke. Oh, I had one that broke and actually fixed it. And when I say I fixed it, I got help. I didn't do it myself. Polyrath. No. I'm gonna send you to sleep. Oh, come on, come on, send me to sleep. Uh-oh. Alright though. Well. Ouch. Wow, really? Really? Okay, Mareep. Take a chance. Thunder Wave. Ooh, I hate the dynamic punch. No. This doesn't look good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. I have a strategy. I'm gonna try something. Alright, he missed one. Okay, Mud Slap. I'm gonna give him 5 Mud Slaps. That's 1. That's 2. It lowers his accuracy. That's 2. Critical as well. Alright, second one. That's okay, I don't care. Another Mud Slap. Lower his accuracy. There we go, that's the third one. Ooh, it hit still. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. We still got this. Ah, he got confused as well. Alright, come on, come on. Give him a 4th Mud Slap. Ah! No, 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 no. Okay, it missed. Because of the... Alright, that's the fourth one. Another one. That's 5 mud slaps. I reduced his accuracy 5 times. So now his attacks are gonna miss most of the time. Well, it does, but not when your accuracy is like this. I trashed his accuracy now with all the mud slap in his face. Alright, it's not working anymore now. It's not lowering the accuracy anymore. So... I'm gonna start using super powerful moves, like... you know what? I'm gonna take a big risk. I'm gonna take a big risk with my Eevee. Come on, come on, I'm gonna take a big risk. I don't know if this is gonna work. Please, please miss. No, come on! It hit now, Surf, after 5 mud slaps, or 6. Come on, please don't faint. Alright, 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 we still got this. Come on, come on. I'm scared, huh? Oh, GG. Dang it. My Eevee fainted for the 3rd time. Alright, back to Totodile. So we're gonna go back with Surf. Now it misses. He's gonna heal now, he's gonna heal. I don't think Bite is gonna do much damage, is it? Uh-oh, uh-oh. This is not looking good. No, not at all. Ah, it had to be critical. Now this is not even my team. This is not in my team, so might as well faint, okay? Please faint. Oh, come on, please, Lapras, don't get the XP. No. He's gonna get the XP. He's gonna get the XP. I don't want Lapras to get the XP. Ah, and I don't even have anything to heal with, like a revive or anything. Oh, I don't want this. This is truly lel, indeed. Oh, come on, man. I don't want to defeat him with my Lapras, so I'm gonna start over. I want my Pokemon to get the XP. Alright, I'm sleeping now. Come on, just end it. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, why you no dynamic punch me? Or Surf or something. Oh, man. Man, this is not my game. I totally lost the opportunity to get some XP from this gym, but... Why are you doing this? What a troll. Alright, there we go. End me. Very funny one. I'm losing my patience now, come on. I'm reducing his attack. Oh, that's it, I'm done. I'm not gonna... There we go. There we go, that's it. I don't care. I got the badge. Oh, Still alive. Kill me! My Lapras is getting the XP. I don't even want the Lapras. Whatever. No, I didn't finish Cuphead yet. I'll be streaming it soon again. Look, 1782. Look at this. Boing. And I got the badge. I'm not happy with the badge, but anyway. Whatever. Whatever. What's this badge called? Storm badge. Yeah, so I'll be continuing Cuphead sometime this week again. My next stream will be Cuphead, actually. There we go, we got the badge, there it is. Let's put it in its place. Something like that, perhaps. Maybe a teeny tiny bit smaller. There we go. There we go. We got another badge. I'm not very happy with this with this win. I want to train Pokemon, not get badges. I want to be a Pokemon trainer. That's okay. Now I got Fly. Oh well. He gave me Dynamic Punch. You know, I just realized I don't have a fire type. I don't have a fire type Pokemon. Alright, so pack. Fly. Alright, so we're removing Growl, I guess. I have a few errands now that I need to run in the game, so I'm gonna heal real quick. I think you mean Houndour. I think you mean Houndour. You get Houndour later in the game though, not now, so I got no choice. I can't. I'm gonna redeposit that stupid Lapras. Poor, I'm calling him stupid. Actually, Lapras is a hare. And I'm going to withdraw my Dratini. Where's Dratini? There it is. Now then, Pokemon. Let me see the moves I have on Dratini. I forgot. Stats. But I do have Fire Blast on Dratini, so we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna fly now. Let's fly out of here. Oh, okay. Fly? And I wanna go to Goldenrod City real quick. And I need to go underground real quick as well. I don't even know how to get to the underground. I think here. Is this it? No, it's just the house. Is this it? No, it's just the bike shop. Just a house. Here we go. There should be some guy here that gives Pokemon haircuts. I don't feel like battling, but yeah, got no choice. Oh, really? It missed? It makes them happy. It makes them happy, and some of them will evolve when they reach a certain level of happiness, that's why. Hey, VloggyBuddy, Switch. I know this is gonna sound weird, but there isn't a game on Switch yet that makes me buy a Switch. Usually there's always that game that drives me to buy the console. But so far there isn't, no, I'm not into Zelda really, no. There was this Pokemon announced on Switch, the Pokemon RPG. So that might sell me a Switch when the RPG on the Switch comes out. Well, I mean, I don't care for Zelda. And I'm kind of protesting Nintendo as well. Juan is right, that's true. If I can do without buying a Switch, I'll try. But if the game is really that, like, I'm a big fan of the franchise, then I'll have to succumb to. But so far, no. But I think when Pokemon for the Switch comes out, and we're talking about the RPG, the main series, then I'll think I'll buy a Switch, yes. And I'll stream it, then I'll get copyright claims, the works, you know? There should be a guy that gives haircuts, but he's not here! Oh, he's not here. Look, why are you getting a flag for your Pokemon game? Actually, Pokemon is the only game I'm not getting flagged for the time being. All my other streams are getting flagged for stuff. Not suitable for advertisers, copyright claims, all this stuff. Everything lately, everything. All the Resident Evils are not suitable for advertisers. Cuphead I got claimed for the soundtrack. What else did I play? Uncharted got copyright. No, Uncharted was not suitable for advertisers as well. Everything. Yes, Juan. Yes, you are right what you're saying, but this is not exactly a Nintendo game. This is from the Pokemon Company, you see? That's why. I need to check when they are there for the haircuts. Because there's nobody here. Usually there's people that cut my hair down here. There's nobody behind the desk. So I pretty much came here for nothing. Usually there's people behind these desks. But there's nobody. Maybe this guy? No, he's gonna fight me. This guy's a super nerd, I think, yes? It's funny you'd say that, probably they would, because that just now belongs to EA. And EA are a bit of, how do I put it nicely? Jerks. They love money as well. Grimer! There we go. Alright, so I guess I came here for nothing. Just gonna go back. Now I need to go to Vine City once again. There we go.
I'm gonna heal. I got an idea. You know what I'm gonna do? I need to make Eevee very happy. And one way of doing that is to train Eevee a lot. So, let's switch Eevee to the front. To the front. Switch. I'm gonna get me another badge today. And then I'm gonna call it. I have to shower now, first do a big bet. Oh no! I have a bad feeling. Nobody's had good luck today with VloggyBuddy. Oh, you won! Nice! GG, man. That was... The odds are in your favor, my friend. Well done. See ya, one. Take care. Alright, so. Will that medicine cure Amphi? Yes. Handed the secret potion to Jasmine. Please don't be offended. Amphi will not take anything from anyone but me. Amphi, how are you feeling? Palu, palu, le palu, palulu. Palu, palulu. Oh, I'm so relieved. This is just so wonderful. Thank you so very much. I will return to the gym. So will I. Where'd you go? Let's do this. Ah, there's no trainers, just Jasmine right away? Okay. Let's do this. Let's get Eevee one more level up. Let's go. I'm gonna switch. And I'm gonna use... I don't think Ghastly's gonna do much damage. I'm gonna try Ghastly real quick. Oh, I didn't even get the chance to try it out. No problem. I'm not gonna try with Totodile. Dratini, you're up. Let's try the Fire Blast. You don't stand a chance now. I'm gonna switch back to Eevee. Alright. And once again, back to Dratini. It's all for the XP. I'm paralyzed. Does it hurt? Nope. Ooh, it missed. Okay, no problem. Try again.
Switching back to Eevee for the XP. And now I'm gonna try Totodile real quick. I'm gonna see if it works. What if I use Mud Slap? Ooh. What if I use it like 5 times in a row? Let's see. I used it once already. 2. Three. I love Mud Slap. 4. Ooh. Okay, 2 more Mud Slaps. Come on, come on. 1 more. Alright, I'm happy. I'm happy like this. Alright, now let's use Surf. No, not Water Gun, you stupid booblet! Okay. Oh, I missed an opportunity. It's okay. Marip's not gonna make any difference, Hutu's not gonna make any difference, Eevee is not gonna make any difference, so I guess Dratini once again. Ice Beam. Oh, okay, I should have used... Alright, no problem. Enjoy. Oh, wow. 1 more. That's very strong. Overkill. If it wasn't for Dratini, I would have been trash right now. Because I don't have a Fire-type Pokemon. Alright, 26. And GG, we got another badge. I'm happy. What is it? What kind of badge is it? Alright. Mineral badge. Alright, so... let me add that one as well. There it is. I got 2 badges today, and I got my Pokemon from Pokemon Red. I'm very happy. I'm very satisfied with what I did. Alright. It's just Iron Tail, I think. Let's get out of here. Let's go heal. Alright, now then, I'm gonna buy some Pokeballs real quick. Not from here.
Because I have in mind to catch that shiny Gyarados. That's right, Big Red indeed. That's right, time for Big Red. I think I'm gonna use Big Red to do the shiny Pokemon glitch. You know, the trade, the technique. It's quite the process, but I'm gonna do that. Big Red is gonna be my big boss. Alright, so this way now, eh? Ultra Ball, nice. I need to reorganize my Pokemon actually, I forgot. Level 20 and Eevee is level 26. We can take him out, come on. Okay. Now it's just some berries. Blech. I'm gonna catch Big Red and I'm gonna call it. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh no! You're gonna fight me! And I'm gonna be training Big Red in Pokemon Omega Ruby Alpha Sapphire. I'm gonna switch. He turned into a fly. Thundershock. There we go. There's a few trainers here, which is good. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go to the Lake of Rage, capture the Red Gyarados, and then get the experience share. Ooh, Nidorina. I forgot to switch Pokemon, I just realized. It's okay. Gastly's evolving. Nope.
Piglet! This is a job for Totodile. I'm gonna switch now so I can keep training my EV. And switch back. Sorry. It's tedious, but I have to. This is gonna give me some serious XP. Yeah, I know, right, Philly? I know. I know. Okay, 27. Let's go. Alright, we're in Mahogany Town, is that what it's called? I think so, eh? Yeah, Mahogany Town. Alright, do I need to heal? I always need to heal, actually. Let's heal my EV. And let's go capture Big Red. I don't like nicknaming Pokemon, but I'm gonna make an exception for Gyarados because it's an awesome nickname. And it's a tribute to Toby. You know what the awesome part is about Big Red? I think we go up here, eh, to... there's gonna be a bunch of trainers on the way up. Well, I'm gonna have to do this. Okay, I avoided one. Is he gonna let me through? Oh no, they're gonna charge me to get through. I forgot about this. I don't feel like battling these trainers. I'm gonna have to though. You know about the awesome... Yes, he learns that, but the awesome part about my Big Red is gonna be... He's gonna Mega Evolve. He's gonna Mega Evolve, Big Red. You know... you get to see him Mega Evolve. That's awesome for me. Not in this game, obviously. In the next one. Alright, Pokemon. Can you handle it, Mareep? Thundershock. Let's go. Oh, come on. Mareep, come on. He's fully evolved, huh? Oh, ooh, wow. Okay, no. Switching away. I wonder which one of my Pokemon is going to evolve first. He was farting. Super effective. Run. So, I don't think I can. Oh, I avoided him. Nice. Is she gonna battle me as well? No. Alright, so this is it. Do I need anything from here? Hold on. Just gonna look around real quick. Lake of Rage is actually a crater made by rampaging Gyarados. The crater filled with rainwater. Blah, 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 blah. Let's capture that Gyarados. There he is. I'm gonna switch Pokemon. I'm going to... I hope I don't faint him. If I faint this Gyarados, I'm going to be very salty. It shouldn't happen, come on. Level 30. Alright, let's start with Thunder Wave. Alright, that wasn't a very good start. Ghastly. Alright, got a long way to go. One more? Can we do one more? Or should I start throwing Pokeballs right away? Ah, okay, no problem. Shut up, Indigo. I'm gonna train this Gyarados. Okay, I'm gonna train this Gyarados in the Hoenn region. So I'm gonna capture it for now. He's gonna be part of my team in the next game. Oh, come on, why you not sleep now? You see, that's why I gave him some space. No! No, 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 no. Hypnosis, hypnosis. Oh no, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness. If this fails, I'm gonna be so salty. Oh my goodness! I should have saved before, huh? It's my fault. Alright. Okay. Oh man, because I planned to have this Pokemon in my team. I'm catching a Pokemon for my next team already. Hey, Feisty's here. Oh my goodness, this doesn't look good. I'm gonna need a tissue if I'm gonna cry if this fails. Come on, doesn't get any better than this, come on. It's not for the shiny glitch, no, I plan on raising this Pokemon. There we go, yes, yes. Alright, good Gyarados. No, because this is gonna be my team, my next team though, in the Hoenn region. Alright, my hands are sweaty. Nice to see you, Feisty, by the way. Hello to you too. Alright, but I'm gonna try the glitch as well. I'm gonna try the glitch face, yes. Once it appears, it goes on a rampage. It remains enraged until it demolishes everything around it. Alright. Yes, I don't nickname Pokemon, but this is gonna be the exception. The only exception ever. Red is a troll. He's nasty. That's nasty.
Carp, Magikarp.
I knew it. Oh, I wasn't reading. I need to read. I saw the way you battled earlier, Vloggy. I can tell that you're a trainer with considerable skill. I know. If you don't mind, could you help me? Investigate? Yes. Excellent. It seems that the lake's Magikarp are being forced to evolve. A mysterious radio broadcast coming from Mahogany is the cause. I'll be waiting for you, Vloggy. Well, he flew away like that. Just like that. That's stylish. I'm gonna battle these now. I'm happy with my big red. I'm really happy with my big red. I'm gonna be raising that in the Hoenn region though.
Slowbro. Slowbro.
Come on. Maripis fainted. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, Ghastly, you do this. Uh-oh. Alright, we can do this, no problem. Or not. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know if my big red is male or female. It doesn't really make a difference to me, actually, but I'm curious. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna check now. Fly. Oh, really? Really, Hoot Hoot? Really? Come on. First time I ever used Fly, he missed it. Oh, come on, really? Get some serious XP from Slowbro because he's evolved. I think that's how it works. There we go. 26. Nope. Let's go find out the gender after I battle this trainer. Totodile, you're up. Hey, Mary, welcome. Nice to see you. The plan is not to catch them all, actually, no. Uh-oh, I don't know why I didn't... Whatever. The plan is not to catch them all, actually, no. It was never my intention to catch them all. The plan in this series that I'm doing, this Pokemon series that I'm doing, is to play all the generations, and from one generation to the other, I move the Pokemon from game to game, basically. That's what I'm trying to do. Today I managed to transfer my Pokemon from Red to this game. Next time I'll be transferring these to the Hoenn region. Once Pokemon Bank is available for this game, obviously. Back to Totodile once again, because I need to train Eevee as much as I can. And I need to do some research on how to increase the happiness value as much as possible. Berries? Which kind of berries, though? I will do some research off stream. I know haircuts for sure, but apparently there's certain days that you can go down the underground to get haircuts. So let's heal. Let's check out the gender of that Gyarados. And I'm gonna go grab the scale. The experience share, I mean. I'm taking a nap, I'm awake now. And it's 4 PM over there. You stream with the cell phone? They lower EVs. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. I'll do some research. Let's check the gender of my Gyarados. It's a male. Alright, let's go grab the the experience share. That's in Cherry Grove City, is it? No. Yes, it is in Cherry Grove City, I think. Oh, come on, man. Oh, that's nice, Mary. That's nice. Alright, let's see. He's gonna give me experience share, yes? Come on. That's Kale. What's that? A red Gyarados? That's rare. I want it. Vloggy, would you care to trade it? I can offer you this experience share I got from Provoke. Yes. Give me a sec. Alright, so let's go. Oh yeah, let's give the experience share to Pokemon. So I'm gonna put Eevee down here now. And I'm gonna give Eevee my experience share. Hold on a sec, hold on a sec. It's a male, okay. Pack. There you go. And now Eevee has the experience share. Now then, 25, 28. Because of OCD, I want to have them in order. 25, 26, 27, 28. And these ones over here, I'm not really training. Eevee's gonna go up on its own, and Dratini, I'm not gonna train because he's level 40 anyway, so. Even me, most of my viewers are American. Most. That's why I stopped making content in Maltese, because in Maltese, I'm only catering for a tiny island on the planet. Oh yeah, why am I walking? I can fly. Alright, next time, we're gonna go inside here and we're gonna take on the Team Rocket, but not today, because I've been streaming for almost, well, 2.5 hours, and I have to start getting ready for work. So I'm gonna save here. We're gonna continue next time. We got 6 badges. We accomplished a lot today. We got our team, we finally finalized our team, we caught B-Grid for our next team, and we got 2 badges as well. It was a productive stream. So yeah, thanks to everyone that hung out in the stream, keeping me company, you know, rather than me talking to myself. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time, guys. Ciao.